Hi students, this is part 2 video subject accountancy for class 11. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about four terms. Okay, so what is transaction, what is accounting, and then what is journal, and then what is ledger. Okay, shall we see one by one. So first one is what is transaction. Transaction is nothing but a kind of action or important business deal that is called transaction. Okay, so a company incurs lot of transaction. Okay, so what is transaction is nothing but purchase of a raw material. Okay, that is called transaction. Okay, if we purchase raw material we have to pay cash. Okay, if we purchase raw material for 1 crores, so we have to pay 1 crore rupee to our supplier. Okay, so we have only 80 lakhs in our hand. Okay, so we are paying 80 lakhs to our supplier. Paying 80 lakhs is a transaction, cash transaction. So remaining 20 lakh is there. Okay, that is called credit transaction. We are purchasing the whole raw material worth about 1 crore, but we are paying only 80 lakh. That is cash transaction. Remaining 20 lakh is credit for us. Okay, so credit transaction, without paying money we are getting the raw material. Okay, and then another example is paying wages to our workers. Okay, paying wages is transaction. Paying salary, that also a transaction. And then paying a telephone bill, paying electricity bill. Okay, purchase of an asset, that also a transaction. Okay, if we get a loan and advances. Okay, so loan from rom, that also a transaction. And then we are giving loan to some person, loan to Arun. Okay, loan to Arun is a transaction. Okay, so some business deal, that is called transaction. Okay, so buying, selling goods, cash transaction, credit transaction, asset purchase. Okay, getting loans and advances, giving loans and advances to X, everything is a transaction. Okay, do you understand? So transaction is a business deal. Okay, or any kind of action involved in business. Okay, that is called transaction. Yes, now we are going to see what is accounting. So the very important term. So accounting is the process. What are the process? Process of recording, reporting, analyzing and interpreting. So first one, recording. So already I told that a business concern incurs hundreds of transactions. Whether it is possible for human being to memorize all the 100 transaction? No, we can't. Okay, then what we have to do? We have to write everything. We have to record each and every transaction should be recorded in an efficient manner. Everything we have to write. Okay, so each and every transaction should be recorded. If accountant left a single transaction, so it will be a work burden. Okay, it incurs error. Okay, so recording is the first and foremost step in accounting process. Okay, so everything, each and every cash transaction, credit transaction should be recorded in an efficient manner. Okay, so in an account section, so recording must be a primary step. Okay, the recording may be in a written format or in an e format. Okay, so next one, reporting. So daily the accountant has to report to the financial manager about what are the cash transaction taken place, what are the credit transaction taken place, everything. Okay, related to monetary and non-monetary also, he has to report to their ultimate board of directors, ultimate top level management. Okay, so first one we are recording, and second one we are reporting. Okay, and third one we are analyzing. What we are going to analyze? We are going to analyze how much cash inflows to the organization. Okay, how much cash outflows out of our organization. Okay, what are the things come inside, what are the things go outside, everything he has to analyze. Another one thing is interpreting means suggestion. Okay, findings. So what are the findings? Through transaction, so the accountant find some information. So if the electricity bill is too high, he has to report to his top level management. This month we incur a very high amount of electricity bill, so we have to reduce our electricity bill for our future. Like that he has to inform. Okay, so interpreting financial data and accounting information, which then, so we have to communicate our accounts to internal and external user of this information. So internal and external user in the sense who are using the financial data inside the organization are called internal user, outside the organization are called external user. Internal user means workers, financial manager, and board of directors. So they will see what are the transaction held today. So what about the balance sheet? Okay, what are the profit incurs during this year, like that. So external user in the sense general public. Okay, so accounting is the process of recording, reporting, analyzing, and interpreting financial data and accounting information, which is then communicated. Okay, so accounts is always transparent to all. Okay, so then communicated to internal and external user of this information. See, first one, transaction, recording and reporting, analyzing and interpretation, uses of accounting information. Okay, this is called accounting. Yes, what is accounting? Another one, simple one. Accounting is the process of collecting, recording, classifying, and interpreting the financial information for the decision making. Okay, so what is accounting? Accounting is the process of collecting information, collecting the transaction, recording. We have to write every transaction, or we have to update in our in an e format. After that, classifying, we have to classify whether cash transaction or credit transaction. So and then interpreting, we have to find the suggestions, we have to find the information for what, for decision making. Okay, accounting is the process of collecting, recording, classifying, and interpreting. Okay, so which one is easy, you can study what is accounting. Now we are going to see what is journal. Yes, journal is the primary book. Okay, the first step of accounts is preparing journal. How we will prepare journal? So already I told, right, we have to write each and every transaction. So purchase of raw material and then purchase of asset, everything is a transaction. Okay, through that information we are going to prepare journal. Okay, so journal, so we have to record in a chronological order. This is not in alphabet order. Okay, so that is according to the date wise we have to prepare journal entries. Okay, today we have purchased asset, so we have to write today's date and we have to write the journal entry. Okay, so what are the things will be there? Debit account and credit account with the explanation is called journal. Okay, so journal is a primary book wherein transaction are recorded in a chronological order of date. So date is more important with debit and credit account. Okay, so journal means day book or daily book of accounting. So journal has to be recorded daily. Okay, so format of journal, so this is the format: date, particulars, LF, that is ledger folio, debit amount, credit amount. Okay, so you have to write this only and you have to draw lines like this: date, particulars, and then LF, small column is enough. Okay, so debit amount, credit amount, in the column you have to write data. How to prepare this journal entry and all I can explain later. Okay, so these are the columns you have to open for doing journals. Okay, so date, particulars, LF means ledger folio. Here we have to write the folio number here. Okay, so debit number, debit amount, credit amount. Next, now we are going to see what is ledger. Yes, sir. First one is we have to enter transaction. Okay. After transaction, we have to prepare journal. Okay. With the help of information given by journal transaction, you have to prepare ledger. Sorry, journal. So journal after you have to prepare ledger. Okay, so journal is called primary book. Okay, ledger is called secondary book. Okay, second book of entry or secondary book. So what is ledger? It summarize all journal entries. So in journal we are writing debit and credit, right? This amount is arranged in debit side and as well as in all the amount in credit side. What are the amount coming in debit side we have to arrange, what are the amount coming in credit side we have to arrange. Okay, so summarize all the journal entries in the form of debit and credit. Okay, for why we are arranging that? Okay, so too much of journal entries confuse us. Okay, so what are the cash inflows, what are the cash outflows? Okay, so the journal so the ledger will summarize the journal, it simplifies the journal. Okay, so for our future reference and creating financial statement, ledger is more important. Do you understand? Yes, sir. Ledger in accounting, also known as second book of entry. Okay, it summarizes all journal entries in the form of debit and credit. It is very easy for preparing journal, for preparing ledger, trial balance and all, very very easy. Okay, this is the format of ledger. You have to open two pages. Okay, same page. So here left side one page, right side should be one page. Okay, you should not use single page. See what are the headings: date, particulars, JF means journal folio. We are getting information from journal. Okay, so we have to write the journal number here. So journal 2, journal 3, journal 5, journal 106, like that. Okay, amount we have to write. Okay, first page, page 1 over. Second page you have to write. Okay, right side, date, particulars, JF, amount, rupees. Okay, in the upper of this column you have to write debit. Left side debit, right side credit. Okay, so in the center of the page, that two page. Okay, so you have to write what are the transaction. Okay, furniture account, cash account, purchase account, like that, the major heading you have to write here. So no need to consider this information, only format. Okay, so for journal, date, particulars, LF, debit amount, credit amount. Okay, for ledger, format, date, particulars, JF, amount. Left side, right side of your paper you have to write date, particulars, JF, amount, rupees. Okay, so credit side, right side credit side, debit, that is left side debit. Okay, thank you students. Remaining terms we can see later. Just make a recall, play the video again and again for your better understanding.